Hello everyone, this is Jenna from RICHMCHN. Today we are at SANHE Warehouse. If you are looking for an effective and durable excavator, let's look at this machine. Let's go. Beside me is HYUNDAI HX305L Excavator. Its operating weight is 31,700 kilograms. The bucket capacity is about 1.63 cubic meters. Its maximum digging depth reaches about 5 meters, making it well suited for heavy-duty work such as large-scale earth-moving and infrastructure construction. The cab is roomy, well laid out, and has great visibility, keeping operators comfortable all day long. It works perfectly for all kinds of heavy construction jobs. This excavator equipped with CUMMINS engine and tailfall emission, with about 173 kilowatts of power, delivering powerful, durable, and consistent performance. It features a great hydraulic system. The machine moves smoothly and reacts fast, so you can work more efficiently. Okay, this concludes today's introduction about this excavator. If you want to know more about other machines, feel free to contact me. See you next time.